In the heart of the jungle, a vibrant yet perilous world unfolds under the reign of the cruel lion, Sher's menacing presence casts a shadow as smaller animals scatter, their fear palpable in the air. Amidst the surrounding fear, Bandar the monkey remains seemingly untouched, going about his business with a carefree demeanor. A wave of grief washes over Bandar, quickly replaced by a burning rage that ignites a thirst for vengeance. His fists clench, knuckles white, as Bandar vows, "Sher, you will pay for this." Bandar's sinister declaration echoes through the humid jungle air. Our survival depends on eliminating Sher. With cunning calculation, Bandar whispers the sinister truth. Only a lion can kill a lion. Driven by terror, they hesitantly approach Sher, their warning echoing in the cavernous space. Sher, enthroned in arrogance, dismisses their desperate plea with a disdainful snort, his overconfidence blinding him to the impending danger. With a roar of defiance, Sher proclaims, "Silence! Bandar is nothing but a nuisance. I will deal with him myself. I will kill Bandar myself." In the distance, a figure resembling another lion appears, fueling Sher's fury and driving him headlong into a perilous trap. Unaware of the impending danger, Sher's blind rage propels him forward, sealing his fate in the heart of the jungle. The impalement is a brutal punctuation, the lion revealed as a cruel deception. As Sher's lifeblood stains the earth, in his final moment, Sher's eyes reflect a chilling understanding of Bandar's strategic mastery, a realization arriving too late. The climax unfolds with brutal efficiency, as Sher's life ends in a pit of betrayal, marking the zenith of Bandar's ruthless triumph. A wave of disbelief and shame sweeps through the crowd as Bandar unveils his elaborate scheme. "Bandar," declares with newfound confidence, "I knew fear would drive you to betray me." He affirms his strategy. "But I used that fear to lure Sher into our trap.